The skin cycle reset, the 28-day glow-up plan everyone's talking about in 2025. Your skin doesn't just change with the seasons, it evolves every 28 days in what dermatologists now refer to as the skin cycle. This concept, once reserved for textbooks, has exploded on social media in 2025, thanks to beauty creators and dermatologists sharing their glow-up secrets in 4-week phases. The idea? Work with your skin's natural rhythm instead of against it. Whether you're struggling with dullness, breakouts, or premature aging, understanding your skin's own regeneration process can help you time treatments, products, and self-care rituals to get maximum results. No salon visit needed. Week 1 is all about clearing the slate. Your focus should be gentle exfoliation and detoxifying ingredients. Think salicylic acid, glycolic pads, and clay masks twice a week. This is the purging phase, where you might notice some breakouts. Don't panic. That's your skin eliminating buildup and dead cells. Support this process with hydration and barrier-loving ingredients like panthenol and ceramides. Avoid anything too aggressive here. You're setting the stage, not overhauling. In week 2, rebuilding begins. Your skin is more receptive now, making it the perfect time to introduce peptides, niacinamide, and light retinoids. This week is about strengthening internally and externally. Increase your intake of omega-3s and collagen-rich foods like bone broth or chia seeds. Think of this as the training phase. You're coaching your skin to function better, hold moisture longer, and produce healthier cells. By week 3, it's time for targeted treatment. Now that your skin barrier is stronger, you can bring in powerful actives like vitamin C serums for brightening and more potent retinoids for fine lines. Pigmentation, acne scars, and rough texture can all be addressed now. You'll start to see visible results: smoother skin, smaller pores, and a more even tone. Stick to your routine and avoid trying new products at this stage. It's a time to stay consistent and let the actives do their job. Week 4 marks the recovery and lock-in phase. Think deep hydration, skin slugging, and sleep-focused beauty rituals. Products with squalane, hyaluronic acid, and ceramide-rich moisturizers are your best friends. Your goal is to seal in the glow and give your skin space to breathe and balance before the next cycle begins. Add lymphatic drainage massage or facial yoga to support circulation without stimulation. You've completed a full regeneration arc, and your glow tells the story.